A lot of people just think dividends are sort of like bonds where you get money payment forever and you just keep getting this income stream. And while that's sort of true, you need to understand how stocks and bonds are set up structurally to understand the difference between them. The first thing you should understand is what's called a capital stack. And a capital stack is just kind of how a company gets funding to run the company. Usually people know about stocks down here, and then but companies, like people, they also take on debt and they borrow money. So what the capital stack is just saying who gets priority in the event of a crisis. What this capital stack is saying, this is high priority up here, and equity or stocks is low priority. Stocks don't get paid, you don't get your dividend until the debt payments are paid. If you think of a house, the debt is sort of like your mortgage. A mortgage, you borrow money from the bank, you have to make monthly payments, and eventually you have to pay back the principal. That's what bonds are. That's exactly what bonds are. Mortgage is a type of bond. So a company has to make its monthly or quarterly interest payments on its debt, just like you have to make your monthly payments on your mortgage. So the company's priorities are operating the company, paying its employees, and then paying down the debt and the interest on the debt. And then if they have any profits left over, then they could decide if they want to pay out a dividend or not. But a dividend isn't required, whereas the interest they have to pay on the debt is required. And actually, in the event that a company goes bankrupt, the people who hold the debt, people who have the bonds, those investors get whatever pieces of the company that's still available, and they get their first dibs. They have priority on the company's assets, sort of like the bank has the rights to take over your house if you don't pay your mortgage. And only after that, if there's anything left, then the investors, the stockholders, will get whatever's left of the company. So the stockholders, even though they have the most potential to make money with stocks, they're also the first ones to get cut. That's why stocks are usually said to be the riskiest investment, is just because bonds get priority. So that's why companies like Marriott, like Delta Airlines, are having to cut their dividends during this coronavirus pandemic, because obviously the travel industry has gotten hit the worst. And these companies have to start taking care of their employees. They have to start taking care of their properties. So they need to save whatever cash they have and keep that and have a cushion, just like any responsible person needs to have a couple months of money available for emergencies. So these companies aren't paying out dividends because they need to keep a cash cushion. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Again, my name is Jeffrey Lin for Stock Sessions. And remember to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and leave a comment below. Let me know what else you guys want to have clarified about investing, or any tips or any lessons you guys want to see on this channel.